Hey guys, so we've been reviewing nouns and pronouns and verbs so that we can talk about the subject and verb of a sentence. Okay, so right now I'm in your grammar textbook, and if you want to find this section on your own, it'll be under sentence structure, and you'll be able to click that link next to subjects and verbs to get to this. All right, so subjects and verbs. The subject of a sentence is the noun or pronoun that the sentence is about. Okay, so some questions to ask yourself: who or what is the sentence about, or who or what is performing the action of the sentence? Okay, so like I said, always a noun or pronoun. So some examples: the students learned about rules and procedures. Students is my subject, my noun. Example: she is sick. She this time is a pronoun that is acting as my subject. So my first one, the students are performing the action, they're learning. In my second one, the sentence is about she, describing she, telling us that she is sick. Notice also here that our subjects tend to come towards the beginning of the sentence before our verb. Okay, and subjects and verbs can be compounds, meaning they can have more than one part that's joined by a word like and or. Okay, so for example, Sharon and Emily pull and push at the heavy couch has a compound subject and verb. So you can definitely do that where you have more than one subject joined together, more than one verb joined together. Okay, now let's take a look at some practice to help us find our subjects and verbs. So just like we were doing in our review yesterday, we're going to underline our subject, which should be a noun or pronoun, just the subject, not all the nouns or pronouns in the sentence, and we're going to bold the verb or verb phrase. Okay, so let's look at number one. The teacher diligently grades work. So let's find my subject first. So I want to know who or what the sentence is about, or who or what is performing the action. So in this case, the teacher is performing the action in the sentence. She's the one that's grading. Okay, so I'm going to underline teacher. All right, and then I want to find my verb that goes with that subject. So that would be grading, because that is what she or he is doing. All right, number two, the lamp was turned off. So again, I want to know who or what is my sentence about, who or what is performing the action. In this case, my sentence is about this lamp. So that is going to be my subject, the noun lamp. Okay, and in this case, something is being done to the lamp. It was turned off. Okay. All right, number three, Paul teases the girl. So again, who or what is the sentence about, who or what is performing the action. In this case, my sentence has the action of Paul. He is performing the action of teasing. All right, so Paul teases will be my subject and my verb. All right, number four, Katrina and Ginny are the names of my dogs. All right, this one has two nouns that it's about. So I have a compound subject, Katrina and Ginny. All right, and then I've got a be verb as my verb that goes with that subject. All right, number five, both dogs run and jump when in the backyard. So again, I have the dogs are performing the action in the sentence. So they're going to be my subject. And they are performing two different actions, actually, running and jumping. So I have a compound verb there. All right, number six, Ginny is small, reddish, and fluffy. So again, going back to our questions, who or what is the sentence about? Who or what is performing the action in the sentence? My sentence is about Ginny. Okay, it's describing her, right? And I have a be verb, should be underlined, and I have a be verb is as my verb. All right, and last one, Katrina is a yellow lab. Again, who or what is performing the action in the sentence? Who or what is my sentence about? My sentence is about Katrina, be my subject, and again, another be verb to go with that. Okay, so looking for some patterns here, we always have our subject before our verb. That's how English works. Subject comes before the verb, okay? And typically towards the beginning of the sentence. These are very short sentences, but you can see it's usually towards the beginning or maybe just a couple words after the beginning, but that's usually where we're looking for that subject-verb pair. All right, we're going to do some more practice with this tomorrow, but let me know if you have any questions.